Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Usha Vyas. My topic today is analysis of Jimmy Porter's anger in Look Back in Anger. The immediacy of the subject matter, Look Back in Anger, had a tremendous impact on audiences when it was first produced. Technically, it marked no innovation. It was a fourth wall. It was a realistic play, not different in technical sense from such a play as Galsworthy's The Silver Box, which had been shown 50 years before in the same theatre. Now the next point is the realistic play. English drama had become so remote from facts of modern life that when Osborne brought it up to date simply by restoring it to the proper qualities of realism, he seemed to be doing something revolutionary. Look Back in Anger shows that English drama was no longer hermetically sealed off from real life. The popularity of the play showed that demand for truly realistic drama did exist. Third point is an unpleasant social play. As a realistic play, Look Back in Anger is more like Shaw's unpleasant plays than like Galsworthy's slices of life. However, while Shaw focuses dramatic interest on social problems in such plays as Widowers' Houses, Osborne's handling of social themes is decidedly haphazard. For Osborne, social themes are not of first dramatic importance. Social questions are important in his plays only as they are imaginatively apprehended by his characters. Next point, intellectual inertia, the real target of Jimmy's attack. Many of Jimmy's impressive tirades are no doubt concerned with debased values of modern life, but the action of the play is only indirectly influenced by such social questions as class system. Next point is lack of imaginative response from everyone. Jimmy is infuriated, means angered by the lack of imaginative response he encounters everywhere. Did you read Priestley's piece this week? Jimmy asks Alison and Cliff, and he goes to say that there is no point in his asking such a question because he knows that they have not read that piece. Next point is the root of Jimmy's anger. Jimmy's anger is not at all superficial, it has deep roots. He is the kind of man to whom, in the words of poet Keats, the miseries of the world are misery and will not let them rest. Jimmy is capable of suffering on behalf of others and of living in other people's lives. As a boy, he had suffered at the bedside of his dying father. That was his initiation into suffering. The essential incompatibility between Jimmy and his wife. Jimmy knows that such imaginative suffering is profoundly solitary experience. The heaviest, strongest creatures in this world, he tells Alison, his wife, seems to be the loneliest, like the old bear following his own breath in the dark forest. Jimmy is deep-seated need. Jimmy seeks from women much more than he could ever hope to get from them, and when he is disappointed, turns on them with savage resentment. He wants release from his tormenting consciousness. When he falls in love with Alison, it seemed that she could offer him that release. Regret over a world which is no more. There is often a wistful note in Jimmy's attacks on people who escaped the path of being alive by living in a world or in the past. The Edwardian world in which Colonel Redfern seems to live is such a dream world. Sexual passion, no remedy for Jimmy's troubles. Sexual passion does offer an occasional escape to Jimmy, but it cannot solve his problems. He alternates between sexual yearning and sexual disgust in a way that is difficult to understand. In a famous passage, he asks why women bleed men to death. He says that men have no alternative but to let themselves be butchered because men find no good brave causes to die for. I suppose people of our generation aren't able to die for good causes any longer. We had all that those who were missing We had all that those over missing causes not meant by Osborne to set us thinking of the good, brave causes that do exist. This is not a play about causes, but about a special kind of feeling, what Osborne described as the texture of ordinary despair. Jimmy is a suffering hero, and the action is designed to eliminate his suffering rather than to force a conflict. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.